Ever heard of double heads and shoulders in trading? Let's clear up the confusion and learn the real patterns that matter. Are you struggling to identify reliable chart patterns? Many traders get this wrong. We'll show you the correct way. Watch till the end. Today, we're tackling a common misconception: double heads and shoulders. If you've heard this term, you're not alone. But here's the truth: it's not a standard, recognized pattern. What people often mean are variations or misinterpretations of well-established chart signals. So, let's dive into the real patterns you need to know. First up, the classic head and shoulders pattern. This bearish reversal pattern signals a potential shift from an uptrend to a downtrend. You'll see a left shoulder, a higher head, and a right shoulder, all connected by a neckline. A breakdown below this neckline, ideally with increased volume, confirms the pattern and suggests a downtrend. Now, flip that around, and you have the inverse head and shoulders. This bullish reversal pattern forms in downtrends, with two shoulders and a lower head, signaling a potential uptrend. Remember, the neckline breakout is key for confirmation. These patterns are vital for spotting trend reversals. Look for clear formations, and don't rush to conclusions. Next, let's talk about the double top pattern. This is another bearish reversal pattern, but it's different from head and shoulders. It features two peaks at roughly the same level, separated by a trough. It indicates strong resistance at that peak level, suggesting a potential downtrend if the price breaks below the trough's support. It's often confused with a head and shoulders pattern, but remember, the double top lacks the distinct shoulder structure. It's a key indicator of trend exhaustion. So, forget double heads and shoulders. Instead, focus on mastering the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, and double top patterns. Proper identification, neckline confirmation, and volume analysis are crucial. Don't let confusion lead to bad trades. These patterns help you understand market psychology and make informed decisions. Keep practicing, and you'll see your trading improve. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.